Hello friends, welcome to Deep Knowledge. Before we begin, make sure to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss our useful tips and tricks videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my other new channels, where you'll find interesting stories and amazing facts about birds and animals. And I've also started a new gaming channel. Please support and be a part of my YouTube family. In today's video, I'm going to show you some small but powerful Excel tricks that will help you save time and work faster. Let's get started. Trick 1. Move columns without cut paste. You can see a sheet. Let's say we have 5 columns: serial number, name, product, price, and state. Now, suppose we want to move the 5th column, state, next to the 2nd column, name. We often need to move columns from one place to another. Instead of inserting a new column and doing cut paste, here's a better way. Before selecting the column, give each column a cell number from 1 to 5. This helps you understand how the columns shift after moving. Now try this simpler method. Select the column you want to move. Move your cursor between 2 columns. You'll see a move pointer. Hold the Shift key and drag it where you want. When you release it, Excel will insert the column exactly there. But if you drag without Shift, it will replace the existing column. Want to copy a column instead? Try this. Select the column, hold Ctrl plus Shift, then drag it where you want to place the copy. You can make multiple copies like this. Excel will create a duplicate at the new spot. This trick saves time and keeps your data organized. Additionally, you can also drag columns up, down, left, or right using the same method. Trick 2. Auto-sum the entire table. Instantly. Let's say you want to fill up some cells. Maybe give a random number to each student. Here's how to do that. Click on a cell where you want the number, enter the formula. Press Enter to get the number in one cell. If you want to fill many cells, select the full range of cells, type the formula. It will fill the entire selected range with random numbers. If you want to change one number but all numbers change at once, here's what to do. Select the range of number-filled cells, right-click, copy, and then paste as values. Now, if you change one number, only that cell will change. Now, want to total all your columns and rows quickly? Many people manually insert formulas, but here's a shortcut. Select the entire table, even if the total row is empty. Press Alt plus equals on your keyboard. Excel will automatically insert some formulas for every column and row. Even if you select just one cell under Numbers and press Alt plus equals, it gives you the total instantly. Trick 3. Freeze the top row. When you scroll down a long sheet, headers disappear. To fix this, go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes. Select Freeze Top Row. Now, no matter how far you scroll, your header will stay visible. You can even add a total in the top row to track changes in real time. Trick 4. Autofill dashes or dots in one line. Want your forms to look neat and clean like in Word? In Excel, we can't manually align the dashes or dots like we do in MS Word, but here's how to make your forms look clean. Select the cells, press Ctrl+1 to open the Format cells. Dialog, go to Custom Type at *dash for dashes or at *dot for dots. This fills the extra space in the cell with the chosen symbol, making all lines look uniform no matter how wide the cell is. Now any text will be followed by perfectly aligned symbols. It looks professional, clean, and saves formatting time. Trick 5. Create long serial numbers quickly. Let's say you want a long list of serial numbers. Type 1 and 2 in 2 cells. Select both cells. At the end corner, a plus sign will appear. Drag it down. You'll get serial numbers in order. Now need a list from 1 to 20 or even above 100. Don't scroll and drag forever. Type 1 in the first cell, go to Home, Fill, Series, choose Columns. Set the stop value like 20 or more, click OK Done in seconds. Want a custom format like PC0 A0001? Type the first 2 values like PC0 A0001 and PC0 A0002. Select both cells, drag down using the fill handle, bottom right corner with a plus icon, or double-click to autofill the entire column, Excel will auto-complete the pattern. It's that easy. Now you're generating thousands of custom serial numbers easily. So these were Excel's small but powerful tricks to make your work faster, easier, and smarter. Which trick was new for you, or do you already use some of them? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. See you in the next video.